behavior model concept. That is, behavior is truth table. That is AB. It will have the some carry. So example is half adder. So half adder truth table is here. Then from the truth table we are defining the sum value and carry value. Sum value will be A XOR with the B. Carry value will be AB. In structure we have half adder, sum and carry. Then the process, that is XOR and half adder behavioral simulation description. So that entity, that is which one is we are going to define. That is name of the title like that we have. That is half adder is port. That is port is input or output what we need to define. That is A comma B is equal to in bit. That is it is a input bit. So sum and carry will be output bit. So we need to define the out dot bit. So encoder, sorry, end half adder. Next, we need to define the architecture of RTL of half adder is begin with sum is equal to A XOR B, carry A and B in RTL. So this is data flow behavior description. So brief history of BHDL. BHDL is an acronym for BHSIC, that is very high speed integrated circuit, that is hardware description language. BHDL is an industry standard hardware description language that is widely used for specifying, modeling, designing, and simulating digital systems. BHDL has its own regions in a research project funded in the early 1980s by the US Department of Defense, that is DOD. A modified version of the original BHDL became IEEE standard 1076 up to 1987. So STD is the IEEE's abbreviation for standard. The standard's number is 1076. The number following the hyphen is the date that the standard was issued or received. BHDL was originally developed as a language for describing the digital system for the purpose of documentation and simulation, but not for synthesis. In 1999, the IEEE issued IEEE Standard 1076.6.1999. IEEE Standard for VHDL register transfer level, that is RTL synthesis. This standard described a subset of IEEE STD 1076 suitable for RTL synthesis. It also described the syntax and the semantic of this subset with regard to synthesis. The latest version of this standard was issued in 2008. That is IEEE 1076 to 2008. VHDL for specification, simulation, and synthesis. Some VHDL concepts are not synthesizable. Therefore, it is possible to write the VHDL description that can be simulated but not synthesized. Okay. VHDL for simulation. The document that defines the precise syntax and the simulation semantics of VHDL is the IEEE standard. Biggest language reference manual LRM. So revised version of the standard are dated. So the revised revisions of the standards are dated 1993, 2000, 2002, and 2008. So text benches are written to apply simulates to a UAT and to verify the UAT output values during simulation. The text benches are not synthesized. Accordingly, there are no constraints on which biggest constructs we can use in the test bench. So they should be capable of being simulated on any IEEE standard 10762 1993 or later complete biggest soft simulator. Government developed and commercially developed biggest with Verilog, ADA based. This one C based, strongly typecast, middle typecast, difficult to learn, easy to learn, most powerful, low powerful. So features of VHDL and Verilog. So technology are vendor independent, portable, or reusable. VHDL or PLD design methodology and design automation tools. So this is the design flow of VHDL or PLD. So first analyze the requirements, then develop specification, then VHDL, write VHDL design description, compile design description, develop verification plan, write VHDL dispatch, compile dispatch, then functional simulation, then how to select the PLD, that is select PLD, then synthesize logic, then post synthesis simulation, then place and route logic to PLD, time simulation, programmable PLD, and verify PLD's operation. These are the design flow of VGSDL or PLD connections. So very large scale VHDL to describe both system be designed and the dispatch used to variety of design. A software simulator tool to make mistakes during the design to verify its functionality and timing. A software synthesis tool to create the logical described by the VHDL program. The software place and pick and place robot pick and place and route tool to map the synchronized logical to the logical PLD and to generate a timing control and a configuration table. A PLD to physically implement the design information in the configuration file to program the PLD. Requirement and specifications. A very brief requirements, definitions and specification for a half adder servers, very simple examples of those two phases, a natural language requirement, definition for half adder